Islamic Revolution Guard Corps (IRGC) earlier this week unveiled newly received domestically made military equipment consisting of hundreds of new missiles and drones. At a ceremony held in the southwestern Iranian port city of Bandar Abbas, the IRGC announced that its naval force took delivery of hundreds of missile systems, drones, and other equipment. Among the deliveries are new long and medium-range anti-ship and cruise missiles, combat, reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and kamikaze drones, electronic warfare systems, and naval radars. In the IRGC statement, emphasis was placed on a large number of cruise missiles with new advanced warheads of high destructive power, capable of severely damaging or sinking large ships, such as destroyers. It also pointed out that the new cruise missiles integrate stealth features, making it undetectable to enemy radars and immune to their missile defense systems. IRGC Top Commander Major General Hossein Salami and Rear Admiral El-Ariza Tangsiri, who were present at the ceremony, highlighted the growing role of artificial intelligence (AI) in naval operations, particularly in precision targeting and minimizing human casualties. He also stressed the importance of naval warfare and long-range naval missiles, indicating that Iran must be capable of engaging the enemy in the depths of international waters to prevent conflicts. The IRGC commanders and official military sources did not divulge more details about individual weapon systems and their precise specifications, but a photo gallery and footage were released, showing a large number of known models, as well as some new ones. Only 210 homegrown systems out of a total of 2,654, in other words, less than 10%, were put on display at the ceremony, as other strategic weapon systems could not be showcased for security considerations. Even that small part of the latest batch, with about 100 missiles, dozens of drones and several radar systems, represents a rather large arsenal, comparable to the entire arsenal of a NATO member. Among the unmanned aerial vehicles displayed were at least 24 unnamed small reconnaissance or multi-purpose drones, similar to the Yazdan or the Faraz and Nasser series. These easily foldable and portable drones, already seen in July 2021 at the equipping ceremony of the IRGC's Sabran Special Forces Brigade, have a wingspan of about 3 meters, and are suitable for observing the Strait of Hormuz. At least 4 units of Ababel 3, a drone for reconnaissance and combat missions with a range of 250 kilometers (200 kilometers per hour), a service ceiling of up to 5,000 meters, and an endurance of 8 hours were also seen. Atlas, the combat version of this original reconnaissance drone, has a hardpoint on each wing and can carry the Keen 1 air-to-surface missiles. Ababel 5, the latest and largest in the Ababel series of combat reconnaissance drones, operational since 2022, was also exhibited at the ceremony in several units. It has a range of more than 480 kilometers and can carry 6 Keen precision-guided missiles with a range of 6 kilometers, or 4 Almaz anti-armor missiles with a range of 8 kilometers. Next to Ababel 5, there were at least 10 units of Mohajer 6, a combat drone of similar shape and dimensions, but with somewhat better capabilities. Mohajer 6 has a wingspan of 10 meters, a speed of 200 kilometers per hour, a range of 2,400 kilometers, a service ceiling of up to 5,500 meters, and carries up to 150 kilograms of various types of missiles. It also has an autopilot system capable of automatic takeoff and landing, and is capable of being fitted with electronic support measures, communications jamming, or electronic warfare payloads. In addition to drones, dozens of new anti-ship missiles, such as Gator and Gator, which have a range of up to 300 kilometers and a powerful warhead of 200 kilograms, as well as the Talaiya cruise missile with a range of 1,000 kilometers, were put on display. Also present was the FAF-360 with a triple-tube rocket launcher, a short-range satellite-guided tactical ballistic missile system, with a range of 30 to 120 kilometers, a warhead of 150 kilograms, and a speed of Mach 4. The biggest mystery of the ceremony was located between the Talaiya and FAF-360 systems, a never-before-seen dual octagonal tube rocket launcher with an unknown missile. Taking into account the aforementioned statements of Iranian officials, there is a possibility that it is an unnamed supersonic cruise missile, the existence of which was announced a year ago.